Tom lived in a big city with his family. He was 14 years old, and his father worked in a factory while his mother stayed home. Tom had a younger sister named Emma. They didn't have much money, but they tried their best to be happy. Every night, Tom sat next to a small lamp to do his homework. The lamp was old, but its light helped Tom dream of a better future. One day, I will make life better for my family, Tom would tell himself. On cold nights, when the lamp flickered, Tom would whisper, "Stay with me, my friend. I need your light." One evening, while Tom was studying, the lamp flickered again. This time, the light went out completely. "Oh no," Tom said. He shook the lamp gently, but nothing happened. Emma came into the room and asked, "What's wrong?" "The lamp is broken," Tom said sadly. "How will I study now?" Their mother heard them talking and came in. "Don't worry, Tom. We'll fix it tomorrow," she said with a kind smile. But Tom knew they didn't have enough money to fix the lamp. He sat in the dark, thinking hard. I must find a way to fix it myself. The next morning, Tom woke up early. He looked at the lamp carefully. If I can understand how it works, I can fix it, he thought. Tom took the lamp apart while Emma watched. "Do you know how to fix it?" Emma asked. "Not yet," Tom said, "but I can try." He found a small wire inside the lamp that was broken. "Maybe this is the problem," he said. Tom needed a new wire, but he didn't know where to get one. "I'll go to the market," he decided. "Maybe someone there can help me." At the market, Tom saw many shops. Some sold food, some sold clothes, and some sold tools. He went to a small shop that sold tools. "Excuse me, sir," Tom said to the shopkeeper. "I need a small wire for my lamp. Can you help me?" The shopkeeper smiled and said, "Of course. Here you go." He gave Tom a wire and added, "This is free for you, young man. Study hard and make your dreams come true." Tom was very happy. "Thank you, sir," he said, and ran home to fix the lamp. When he got home, he quickly went to his room. "I will fix the lamp now," Tom told Emma. She sat beside him, watching as he carefully connected the new wire inside the lamp. Then he closed it and turned it on. At first, nothing happened. Tom felt nervous. "Don't give up," Emma said. Tom tried again, and this time the lamp turned on. Its light was bright and warm. "You did it!" Emma shouted with joy. Tom smiled. "Yes, but now it's time to study," he said. The lamp was his hope again. That night, Tom studied late, the bright lamp lighting up his small desk. "I want to become an engineer," he thought. "If I learn how things work, I can make life better for everyone." He imagined himself fixing machines and building big projects. "One day, I will help my family and my city," he said to himself. The lamp seemed to glow even brighter as Tom dreamed of his future. A week later, a big storm came to the city. The wind was strong and the rain was loud. Tom and his family sat together in their small home. Suddenly, the electricity went out and the house became dark. "The lamp," Tom said. He quickly lit his lamp, and the room filled with light. "Good job, Tom," his father said. "Your lamp is saving us tonight." Tom felt proud that his small lamp was now helping his whole family. The storm caused problems for many families in their neighborhood. The next day, Tom heard a knock at the door. It was their neighbor, Rosa. "Tom, our lamp is broken, and we don't have light at night. Can you help us?" she asked. Tom thought for a moment. "I can try," he said. Rosa brought her broken lamp to Tom. He carefully checked it, just like he did with his own lamp. After some time, he fixed it. "Thank you, Tom," Rosa said with a big smile. "You're very smart." Tom felt happy. He realized he could use what he learned to help others. After helping Rosa, more neighbors came to Tom with their broken things. "Tom, can you fix my fan?" "Tom, my clock is not working. Can you check it?" Tom helped them all. He didn't ask for money, but the neighbors gave him small gifts, food, fruits, and sometimes even a few coins. "You are very talented," his father said. "You are helping the whole neighborhood." Tom smiled and said, "I'm learning so much, Dad. One day, I will do even bigger things." One day, the kind shopkeeper from the market came to Tom's house. He had heard about Tom's skills. "Young man, I need help fixing my sewing machine," the shopkeeper said. "Can you fix it?" Tom was nervous. He had never worked on a machine before, but he agreed to try. The shopkeeper brought the sewing machine to Tom's house. Tom spent hours studying how it worked, and slowly he fixed it. "It works," the shopkeeper said. "You're amazing, Tom. I will tell everyone about you." This was a big moment for Tom. He felt sure that he could do anything if he worked hard. After fixing the sewing machine, many people started coming to Tom for help. "Tom, can you fix my lamp?" "Tom, my radio is broken. Can you repair it?" Tom's small room was full of broken things. His father saw this and said, "Tom, you need more space. Let's clean the old storage room and make it your workshop." Tom was excited. He and his father cleaned the room, put a small table inside, and organized all the tools. "This is perfect," Tom said. "Now I can work better." The workshop became a busy place. People brought their broken items, and Tom fixed them with care. One day, Tom's teacher announced a project in school. Everyone must make something useful for the class, the teacher said. Tom had an idea. "I will make a solar lamp," he decided. He told his teacher about his plan. "A solar lamp will help children study at night without electricity," he explained. The teacher loved the idea and encouraged him. Tom started working on the project in his workshop. He used parts from old lamps and learned how solar panels work. It was hard, but Tom didn't give up. After many days of hard work, Tom finished his solar lamp. It was small but powerful. The lamp used sunlight during the day to charge, and at night it gave bright light. Tom showed the lamp to his teacher and classmates. Everyone was amazed. "This is brilliant, Tom," his teacher said. "You're very talented." Tom felt proud. He thought about how this lamp could help many families in his neighborhood. "I will make more solar lamps for people who need them," Tom decided. Tom began making more solar lamps in his workshop. He used the money he earned from fixing things to buy materials. One evening, Rosa came to visit Tom. "My nephew's in school, but he cannot study at night because we don't have electricity. Can he use one of your solar lamps?" Tom smiled and said, "Of course. I will make one for him soon." Tom started giving solar lamps to families who needed them. Everyone in the neighborhood praised him. "You are not just fixing things, Tom. You are bringing light into our lives," Rosa said. Tom felt happy and motivated. One day, a businessman from the city visited Tom's neighborhood. He had heard about Tom's solar lamps and wanted to meet him. "Tom, your lamps are amazing," the businessman said. "I want to help you. Can you make more lamps if I give you materials?" Tom was excited but nervous. "I will try my best," he said. The businessman gave Tom enough materials to make 50 lamps. Tom worked day and night in his small workshop. Emma helped him by organizing the tools, and their father brought tea to keep Tom energized. After many weeks, Tom finished all 50 lamps. The businessman was impressed. "Tom, these lamps are perfect," he said. "I will sell them in the city, and we will share the money we make." Tom used his share of the money to make his workshop better. He bought better tools and more materials. "I will keep making these lamps," Tom said, "but I also want to teach others how to make them." Tom invited some of his neighbors to his workshop. He taught them how to fix broken things and make solar lamps. "If we work together, we can help more people," Tom said. The neighbors learned quickly. Soon, the small workshop became a busy place where everyone worked together. "Tom, you are not just a boy with a lamp," one neighbor said. "You are a leader." Tom felt proud, but stayed humble. "I just want to help," he said. One sunny morning, the mayor of the town visited Tom's workshop. "I have heard about your solar lamps and how they are helping families," the mayor said. "You're doing wonderful work, Tom." The mayor looked around the workshop, seeing the lamps and the busy neighbors. "How can the town help you grow this project?" he asked. Tom thought for a moment and said, "If I have more materials, I can make more lamps, and I want to teach more people so they can help too." The mayor nodded. "I will get you more materials and invite students from nearby schools to learn from you." Tom was very happy. "Thank you, sir. This will make a big difference." With the mayor's help, Tom's workshop grew bigger. Students came to learn from him, and families brought their broken things for repair. Tom became known as the light maker in his town. One day, the businessman came back with exciting news. Tom, I showed your solar lamps to an energy company. They want to meet you. Tom couldn't believe it. Me? A company wants to meet me? He asked. Yes, the businessman said. They think your lamps can help many more people, not just in this town, but all over the country. Tom went to the city to meet the energy company. He told them how he made the lamps and how they helped his community. The company was impressed. They wanted to work with Tom to make more solar lamps for villages without electricity. Tom said yes, but he had one important request. I want to stay in my town and work with my neighbors. They are part of this journey too. The company agreed. Together, they made thousands of lamps that brought light to families across the country. Tom's small idea, which started with just one broken lamp, changed many people's lives. Years later, Tom became an engineer, just like he had dreamed, but he never forgot where he came from. His workshop in this small town became a place where young people could learn. The lamp on Tom's desk still shined brightly, reminding him of where it all began. Tom often told his story to others. A small light can brighten the darkest nights, he would say, and one idea can change the world.